HomeServe and Sabio have been partnered for a very long time. They've been managing our telephony estate, which is an Avaya telephony estate.
And then more recently, we've been working with them on a very innovative AI-driven conversational self-service platform.
The goals for this project were to take some of the simple transactions that we receive into the contact centre to see if we could fully automate them using Dialogflow's voice robotics.
You've got an emergency and you need an engineer out very quickly. There's nothing worse than sitting on the phone for 10-20 minutes just hearing hold music. However, with the new Dialogflow, it can take them 60 seconds.
So we can get you to the right place. In a couple of words, please say how we can help you today.
A dripping tap, love.
Thank you. Is the tap inside or outside your home?
Outside. Inside.
Thank you. Please bear with us whilst we check your policy details.
We were looking to see if we could automate 50% of our total call minutes.
We're now routing 70% of our total call traffic through the bot. It's handling 6,000 calls a day with an intent accuracy of around 94%.
Sabio have been very good at providing us with some really good developers in order to maintain and build the application we want to.
We've been using some technologies from Twilio and Google. So Google provides the ASR, which is the transcription of voice to text, as well as their Dialogflow solution, which is intent modeling. But amidst those, Sabio has brought its own IP. Really the connection and integration between those two platforms, as well as layering on a very comprehensive insights and analytics layer, which we believe absolutely fundamental for managing these types of projects.
It gives us more insight into why customers are phoning. Through using Dialogflow and especially using the Look tool, we're able to understand different claim types that are coming through. So where there's storms across the country, do we see an increase in roofing claims, for example? When there's lots of rain, do we see an increase in drainage claims?
We can identify calls down to a much more granular level, which puts us about 150 plus intents rather than the 5 contact centre skills that we had previously. That's 20 times more. Where customers don't have to pay in excess, when they're eligible to make a claim and they've entered the automation journey, 85% of those customers are completing that journey. The feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. We've received a lot of customers' feedback with praising its efficiency or ease of use.
And generally the Brandon Rouse score is higher than the actual contact centre itself as well.
In a few words, tell us about your experience of booking an appointment with us today.
You can't beat perfection.
Sabio have helped us be really hands-on. The training we've had from them has been exceptional. Working with their analysts, they were the experts and they've trained us really well. They don't do all the work for us and they allow us to do the work ourselves.
The developers we've had from Sabio have been brilliant in overcoming the problems, the challenges that HomeServe have faced, as well as coming up with really creative solutions to some of the problems that we're trying to solve here in our contact centres.
Having used our own technology, HomeServe has managed to get up to speed in a very complex environment with a very complex set of technologies extremely quickly. They've managed to show business value almost immediately, and now we've given them the confidence to be able to scale that application across multiple geographies and many, many millions of customer interactions a year.
You need someone like Sabio, I think, who are the experts. They give us an unbiased view of what's the best tool to use. They'll use their industry experts to know which one's the right solution for the right company.
Sabio and their knowledge on these applications has been absolutely fantastic since the start of this, and they've been essential to bringing HomeServe the success we have managed to accomplish.